BRUCO HN15025 S2F14. A 14-head intelligent welding gantry purpose-built for steel structure fabrication and shipbuilding. Optimized for high-productivity welding of components with dense weld layouts such as steel panels, stiffened built-up beams and large-scale structures. The system supports flexible operation from a single welding head up to 14 welding heads running simultaneously, enabling multiple weld seams to be completed in parallel within a single production cycle. Equipped with tandem saw twin-wire welding technology using 1.6 mm wires. The system delivers a deposition rate of 4 to 10 kg per hour, suitable for thin to medium thickness structures while maintaining low heat input and minimizing distortion. With a working length up to 25 meters, the gantry is designed for H-beams, I-beams, K-beams, built-up girders and large steel panels. The system supports web heights from 150 to 2,500 mm, and flange widths from 100 to 500 mm, covering most practical production requirements in steel construction and shipbuilding industries. Integrated laser sensors and multi-axis servo systems allow the welding heads to automatically detect and track the actual beam profile, maintaining consistent weld quality and stable operation along the entire workpiece length. The entire welding process is managed through the FSC Series Intelligent Controller, developed for high-duty industrial production environments. The system also records comprehensive operational data including working time, equipment status, shift-based productivity and welding consumable usage. Data can be connected directly to SCADA, MES systems for production management, quality traceability and long-term operational optimization. Contact Weldcom for detailed consultation.